Headphones. I have right here a HyperX Cloud 2 that is pretty well known in the gaming industry as one of the best gaming headphones in the market. Dangpots has also reviewed this on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description to his video. Basically, it's one of the best. Look, the box is so big I can't even fit it in frame. It's even bigger than the iPad. These are the equivalent of Puxel in my country, Mr. DIY. It also comes with a bag. My headset is not in there. A set of spare earpads. These are velour ones, and they are pretty comfy. It also comes with an airplane headphone adapter, so you can pair both the earpads and the adapter for your flight to heaven. Now you might be wondering, why am I wearing these gloves? You see why now. This is my Cloud 2. Look at it. Ugh. 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 So basically the earpads, flaky, headbands, flaky, and I'm going to replace them now. One thing about my Cloud 2 is that they still work fine. It's just that the pads and the bands die much quicker than the thing itself. I also have some friends with this issue and they just threw it away. I thought that it's such a waste to throw it away when all you need to do is just replace the broken parts. Ugh, look at these flaky bits. I shouldn't have done this on the table. So I got these replacement parts from Misodiko. They've got really nice packaging. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. Let's take a look at what I bought. They look pretty genuine and feels very similar. Wow. Even the headbands look pretty similar. So yeah, feel free to check out their store. They also have tons of other headphone replacement parts. I'm not sponsored by the way, I'm just impressed by their product. They also have their YouTube channel where they feature their tutorial videos. But I could not find any for the Cloud 2s. So I asked them about it and they said they'll update the video next month. I don't have time for that. Thing is, my brother's headset died and I happen to have this lying around and all it needs is just replacement. So I looked online and found this thread on Reddit by jwilson0199 and decided to give it a try. Before you start, you will need a soldering iron and some solder wires. I lent these from the company I work with. Sorry, Dr. Kenny, I'll return these someday. If you're not comfortable with using these, I suggest that you can ask any of your engineer friends who has experience with these to do it for you. But then you don't have to be an engineer to use this. It's not hard at all. I may be an electronic engineer, but I'm certain I still can operate this if I hadn't chosen this major. So let's get started. First off, remove the screws holding the headband. I will need a screwdriver for this, which I don't have with me. Hold on a second. Then I remove the clamps. And the Reddit thread mentioned that I need to mind the plastic tabs, and I shall do that. Oh wow, the ear cups are just connected with a wire. Step 4 is to remove one of the pads. I'm going to remove my right ear pad and unscrew the 4 screws. So the driver is just connected with 2 wires. I shall take a picture as suggested and start desoldering it. This soldering iron is faulty. It can only melt if it's sideways. Imagine if you can only do things sideways. You know what? Actually, never mind that. Okay, they are desoldered. Look at this knot. It's tied up so beautifully. Too bad I have to remove them. Whoop. Wow, look at this metal piece. So I guess I just slide in the new headband. OP suggests to run a zip tie, but I'm just gonna run it through the end of this metal piece. Okay, done. So now I need to desolder the two wires back. Great. Now I need to screw them back in. And according to OP, this is the hardest part, reassembling the clamp. Okay, I am done. Gotta admit, it is hard. You can see I did not do a good job. But I'm giving this to my brother, so who cares? I don't even like him anyways. So yeah, that's it. Check out Miso Deco for the parts I bought. I'll see you all next time.